Coming up this weekend on Osiyo, Voices of the Cherokee People.
The castle steward likes to refer to this as the gateway to another world.
A journey to the Renaissance with Dame Eden and the heroic knights of old. How love led her to the game of jousting.
I'm very proud to be part of what I do. Very proud of being part of the heroic knights of old, which actually came to be because another joust company wouldn't let a female joust.
And he has a vision for higher education in Indian country.
I looked at some of the statistics and some of the horror stories about what was going on at the boarding schools. So I knew that in a position as president, I would be able to make some changes.
How Dr. Robert Martin leads using the students' voices at the nation's premier Indian art school in Santa Fe, New Mexico.
I always get a little jittery before a big dinner.
Executive Chef Taelor Barton brings authentic Cherokee food to a hip Tulsa restaurant. Her grandmother's legacy, her most valuable tool.
I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people.
Check Osiyo.tv for showtimes in your area.